Is your laptop getting hot or running slow? The culprit could be dust, which can kill a laptop. Today I'm going to show you how to prevent dust from entering your laptop so you can keep it running cool, fast, and for years to come. Hello and welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll have to steal your RAM. Step 1 is all about the surface. Never, and I mean never, use your laptop on a bed, carpet, or couch. These soft surfaces are dust magnets. Their fibers get sucked directly into your intake vents, creating a thermal blanket over your CPU. Always stick to a hard, flat surface like a desk to give your laptop's feet enough clearance to breathe. If you want to take it a step further, grab a laptop stand. Simply elevating the device an inch or two away from the desk surface drastically reduces the amount of settled dust the fan pulls in. High-performance users look for cooling pads that feature built-in dust filters. They catch the debris before it ever touches your internal hardware. Now, most people forget about the open ports. Dust settles into USB and HDMI ports and eventually migrates deeper into the chassis. These inexpensive silicone port plugs are a total game changer, especially if you travel with your laptop or work in cafes. They literally seal the deal. Also, the air inside your laptop is only as clean as the air in your room. Running an air purifier near your desk and giving your workspace a quick wipe down every day prevents settled dust from being kicked up into your laptop fans. It's a small habit that saves you a lot of money in repairs later. Before I continue, I want to remind you about the resources on our website. Easy to read blog posts and guides to help you get the most from your tech. Links are in the description. Go check it out after the video. Okay, so even with the best prevention, some dust is inevitable. Once a month, use short bursts of compressed air to clear the vents. If you can, try to hold the fan blades steady so they don't overspin, although this isn't super important. If you follow these steps, you'll rarely, if ever, have to take your laptop apart for a deep clean. Learning how to prevent dust from entering your laptop is a small time investment that pays off in years of extra life for your device. By simply changing where you work and using a few inexpensive tools, you can keep your laptop running as fast as the day you unboxed it. Let me know in the comments how you keep dust out of your laptop. And if you like this video, make sure you check out this other one for more tips on getting the most from your tech. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.